In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your WordPress website using the Elementor page builder. Whether you're new to web design or just looking for a way to enhance your WordPress editing skills, this guide will provide you with everything you need to start transforming your site into something truly special. To start off, you'll need to make sure that Elementor is installed and activated on your WordPress site. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins in the left-hand menu. Click on Add New, and in the search box, type in Elementor. When you see the Elementor plugin appear, click Install Now. Once installed, make sure to click Activate to get it up and running. With Elementor activated, you're ready to dive into editing your site. To edit a page, go to the Pages section of your WordPress dashboard and select the page you wish to modify. Once you've selected the page, click Edit with Elementor. This action will take you directly into the Elementor editor, providing you with a live preview of your page and a set of tools for editing. Now that you're inside the Elementor editor, you'll notice a panel on the left with various widgets and elements you can use. To edit existing sections of your page, simply click on the area you want to change. This action will open up an editing menu on the left panel, allowing you to update content, such as text and images, and tweak colors, fonts, and alignment according to your design preferences. Adding new content is intuitive. Drag and drop widgets from the panel on the left to any section of the page. Elementor offers a vast array of widgets, including text boxes, image galleries, and buttons. To add a new section to your page, click the Add Section button, then choose your desired structure. From here, you can begin adding widgets and adjusting them to fit your design theme. For those seeking further customization, Elementor allows you to adjust the design settings of each element by clicking the Advanced tab. Here, you can change margins, padding, and even add custom CSS if you're familiar with coding. Remember, these modifications can significantly enhance the professional look of your website, so don't hesitate to explore these options. When you're satisfied with your changes, it's important to save your work. At the bottom of the Elementor panel, click the green Update button to ensure all your edits are live on your site. Take the time to double-check your work, clicking the Preview Changes button to see exactly how your page will appear to visitors. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit your WordPress website with Elementor effectively. Explore different design techniques, play around with elements, and create a stunning website that reflects your personal or professional brand. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy editing!